Stop snoring today with this expert advice. My husband used to snore so loud that I wasn't able to sleep at night. We sent him to a sleep clinic and he received a CPAP machine, and now we both get a sound sleep nightly. Read on for some tips to help you overcome your snoring problem and get some shut-eye. To cut back on snoring, avoid drinking or eating dairy products 3 hours before you go to bed. Dairy products are notorious for causing a buildup of mucus in your chest. In turn, this exacerbates snoring by making it more difficult to breathe without sounding too raspy. Avoid milk, cheese, yogurt and ice cream. In the 4 or 5 hours before you go to bed for the night, you should avoid consuming alcoholic beverages. Alcohol has a depressant effect on your body, which causes your muscles to become more relaxed. This relaxation affects your airways, which makes it difficult to breathe. Ultimately, this leads to snoring. Stay at a healthy weight and you can keep snoring down. Even though excess body weight isn't always the cause of snoring, extra neck fat places pressure on your nasal passages, and can cause you to snore. If you have gained weight and notice that you are snoring a lot more, losing those extra pounds may help you. A way to avoid the snoring that comes with extremely deep sleep is to develop and keep a steady sleep routine. If your body is accustomed to resting at a certain time, that sleep will be calmer, and you'll snore less. Getting a regular 8 hours a night, at the same time each night, will make sleeping more beneficial, and quieter for those around you. You can reduce or prevent your snoring by drinking plenty of fluids that keep you hydrated. If you are dehydrated, the secretions in your nasal passages become thicker and stickier, making them more likely to clog your airways and lead to snoring. You can decrease your chances of snoring by drinking a minimum of 10 glasses of water per day. If you find it difficult to drink that much water, you can substitute any beverage that doesn't contain caffeine. To help ease your snoring, try falling asleep with your head in a slightly raised position. A thicker pillow will do a better job of supporting your head. Also, you can use 2 or 3 pillows. This forces your head into an upright position. As a result, your airways will open up and you will snore less. Unstop your nose to quit snoring. Snoring can be an embarrassing problem. It can relate to a number of factors, not the least of which is nasal congestion. One way to address snoring is to talk to your doctor about decongestants. These medications can be a very effective remedy not just for the embarrassment of snoring but also for the underlying condition. When my husband had his test, I decided to get my own, only to find out I have a similar condition. While a CPAP machine can seem scary at first, I've fallen in love with mine and couldn't sleep without it. Using the tips in this video will help you to get things under control just as we have. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise, that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise, permanently eliminates snoring, as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.